Mental health is a huge problem nowadays, and is on the rise, and is related to our lifestyle in cities that are very dense. So there have been theories how green spaces contribute to reduce mental health.
In some societies, talking about mental health, getting counseling is still considered taboo. But increasingly, we are turning to social media as a coping mechanism. So perhaps there is a way that we can reach out to people through social media, better understand where their mental health is at, and provide interventions to help support them.
We're trying to look at whether it was just exposure to nature that contributed to mental health, but we also wanted to look at what was it in nature that had that contribution. The idea was to expose students to different types of environments that go from totally urban to a very wild environment in the nature reserve. Then we asked their feelings before and after they were exposed. We observed is that in those environments that have more greenery, they had more positive emotions.
So for 2 weeks, we told a group of people to post social media posts. There's a positivity bias on social media. That means we try to be happier on social media than we really are, and this creates unnecessary stress on ourselves. If we ask people to be more true to their offline selves on social media, whether it would make a difference to their well-being. We noticed that people were supporting them differently when they were being true to their online selves as compared to people who were not. One obvious direction that we can take these insights is towards literacy in educating people about how they should use social media. Policy formulations are also important at the government level to better understand how to mediate in increasingly polarized online environment.
The students contribute in the design of the experiments. They are also part of the experiments. They help us especially to analyze data. They can also interact with faculty with very different interests. And through this interaction is how transdisciplinarity occurs and how you can tackle some of the most challenging problems that we have.
Well, I use data analytics to visualize the echo chambers of social media, and it was really interesting and satisfying how I could take a quantitative approach to study society better.
Prospective students have the opportunity not just to excel in the classroom, but also to design meaningful projects, to understand social behavior, to make a difference in policy and in making an impact on the research community worldwide.